endless lands covered in ice and snow, a deep, cold silence with every step. The Ice Age reaches far back into the darkness of a distant past, stretching to the beginnings of human history. During this period, the world that gave us life was once covered by a massive sheet of ice. But how old were these glaciers really? And how was this frozen world shaped? The beginning of the Ice Age dates back approximately 2.6 million years to the Pleistocene epoch. The world of that time was vastly different from the one we know today. Coastlines were altered, and oceans had receded. Glaciers turned into colossal beasts on land, covering vast portions of the northern hemisphere with unimaginably thick ice sheets. But where did these glaciers go? Today, finding any trace of these ancient glaciers has become a challenge. However, many mysteries still surround the melting and disappearance of these massive glaciers. Many scientists propose that the end of the Ice Age was influenced by climate changes and fluctuations in solar activity. Yet, assuming there was only one Ice Age would be misleading. Glaciers advanced and retreated numerous times, reshaping the planet with each cycle. When the Earth's surface was frozen in ancient times, could something have been hidden within the glaciers? Research has made it possible to uncover fossilized organisms and ancient climate data buried within these ice sheets. But who knows, perhaps traces of ancient life forms we cannot yet see still await discovery beneath the ice. And the ultimate question remains, even if the glaciers are gone, could they return one day? The disappearance of glaciers also led to rising sea levels. If the ice ages do return, will the oceans rise again? And if that happens, how will the shape of the continents change? During this dark period buried beneath glaciers, life persisted. Massive mammoths, saber-toothed tigers, and giant rhinoceroses roamed the earth. These ancient creatures fought to survive the harsh cold of the Ice Age. But one question remains: how did these colossal beings manage to survive? Imagine glaciers as vast oceans of ice engulfing entire continents. The climate changes of that era challenged not only animals, but also humans, driving all life into a fierce struggle for survival. Animals adapted to this icy world during the Ice Age. Mammoths endured the cold with their thick coats, and saber-toothed tigers skillfully hunted their prey among the glaciers. But survival required evolution. These creatures developed natural adaptations for life in the ice. Yet the most remarkable survival story is that of humans. How did Neanderthals withstand this frozen world? The answer lies in their intelligence and interaction with their environment. Neanderthals learned to control fire to survive. They used it during hunts, built shelters, and protected one another in the harsh climate. Yet, over time, they vanished. Were Neanderthals outcompeted by Homo sapiens, or did something in their adaptation fail? These people, lost in the depths of history, eventually encountered the stronger and more intelligent Homo sapiens. What lay behind this first encounter in human history? Why did the Neanderthals disappear? Research suggests that Homo sapiens carried Neanderthals' genetic legacy, even interbreeding with them. However, other mysteries may lie behind this disappearance. Humans who survived the Ice Age became more creative and resilient to overcome such challenges. Ultimately, survival in a cold world was not only a physical battle, but also a mental one. As the Ice Age neared its end, the world began to warm. Yet the cold left deep marks behind. Mammoths and saber-toothed tigers disappeared. All that remained was us. But what truly remains of the Ice Age? With the glaciers melting, some ancient civilizations vanished while others survived. However, the secrets of the old world may lie here. Today, some scientists continue searching for traces of ancient civilizations. Could remnants of lost civilizations still be hidden beneath the ancient glaciers? Or is there even more waiting to be uncovered? Today, our world faces danger once again. The Ice Age could return. But this time, a new factor is at play: human influence. Since the Industrial Revolution, greenhouse gas emissions have caused rapid warming, disrupting the balance of nature. This change, while altering the planet's equilibrium, might also pave the way for a new ice age. Many scientists suggest that entering a new ice age in the future is within the realm of possibility. If this is true, the return of glaciers could lower sea levels again and expand land masses. But a question arises: how will humanity adapt to this change? Despite the current warming period, some models suggest a future ice age. If climate change persists, will the world truly return to its former state? And what will humanity do to survive in this new world? A dark future and the Ice Age's remaining mysteries. With the end of the Ice Age, the world moved in a different direction. Yet, a cold truth remains: the glaciers could return. Time will tell the answer. The disappearance of many ancient civilizations is linked to the retreat of glaciers and rising temperatures. But if another ice age begins, perhaps this time history will be rewritten. Will humans and nature, like the ancient animals, vanish beneath the ice? Glaciers always wait patiently. And perhaps one day, when another ice age arrives, something new will emerge in our mysterious world. Only time will reveal the truth.